Today is the last day me and Wakana will be living in this house. But why does it matter that I have to put this in the beginning of the video? It is because it's also the day that we'll be going separate ways for now. So for you guys that don't know, it's been a year since we have met each other in Australia. Well, in a farm to be precise. Trying to really put this one full year journey into a single paragraph is probably harder than any videos that I've done. Together we've been through a lot of the things that normal couple wouldn't have the opportunity to go through. Coming from two different cultural backgrounds, work our ass off in the same meat factory. Times when we break down and cry in front of each other, travel and see new places together, meeting new people together, moving houses from city to city across the ocean onto different states together. Being broke, without a job, without money in our bank account, all doing this together. People always say it's the hard times that bring out the authentic, unfiltered connection between humans. I don't know if there's a better way to put it. The thing about me is I love talking to people, connecting in a real way. I never take my friends for granted, friends that kept me going every single day to pursue my dreams. That being said, once I'm in that creative state of mind, I need plenty of space. I will simply shut the door to the outside world, even to the closest ones. So seeing each other every single day for the past year has been both a blessing and a challenge to me. Very often I was too caught up in making videos and I tend to neglect her feelings. Or I'll just get frustrated and then translate my emotion on her. There's been an emotional struggle for me, so we both agreed to give each other space. Wakana will be volunteering for the bushfire recovery, while I'll be in Sydney doing collaborations with talents, bettering my videos each and every day. Damn, it's been so long since I came to Sydney. This came a full circle. See behind me is a wake up hostel. That's actually the first hostel that I stayed in when I arrived in Australia. That's crazy, life came a full circle and now I'm here. Like nothing has been changed actually. Everything still feels the same to me. The biggest change is now I'm holding a camera instead of a GoPro. I've upgraded myself. German bakery there, favorite sushi shop here. I mean, it feels so good to be back, honestly. It's been half a year since I saw people, let alone that many people, you know. But it's certainly been more quiet as compared to half a year ago because, you know, as hospitality jobs shut down, all the backpackers have to go home. I guess most of the backpackers are gone, to be honest. But like, I'm still enjoying the vibe. You see people laying down on the grass and it's been so long since I talked to myself like that in front of a camera. Like last time doing it formally is probably in Sydney. So I might sound a little bit rusty. So at night I'll meet my best friend Sergio, which you guys have been seeing on YouTube if you follow my journey. Amazing guy, we work as a food and beverage attendant together. And yeah, let's go for a swim. Hi there, you guys do walk-ins here?
Yes, we do.
How much is it?
Have leisure swimming.
Yeah, sure. So like, by that you mean
Laps.
like not chilling?
Yeah,
not
so
everything.
not just sort of like playing. And,
Oh, okay. All good, all good.
Not sitting there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
just constant laps and stuff like that, and
Okay.
then we have no sunbaking all out.
Okay. So what if I, like, after swim I want to take a break then
So as
Okay.
in like you want to stop at the edge.
okay. Oh, feels so good to be back, isn't it? Sunny weather. Feels good to be back in Sydney once again. It's a good morning swim. More of a surprise is when I left Wagga, it's like 28 degrees. Right now in Sydney, it's like 20, 22-ish degrees. So it's nice little breeze. It's not too hot. So back to the main point, side hustle. As I've shown in the video, it's not easy. Just wanted to say, waking up every single day at 4:30 for the past 5 months. Now I managed to save up. So basically, during the time working in the meat factory, I don't actually spend money on unnecessary stuff like clothes or whatever, because I don't see a need to spend money. I just spend money on the things that I find value in it. For example, I was thinking for a long time, should I get a camera or not? Because obviously it costs 1,500. It's a big money for backpackers. So it's like you know, hi. So due to COVID situations, the guy just came up to me. I have to keep swimming basically. I can't stop and chill and film myself. What he's saying is I have to keep swimming just like other people back there. So I guess I'll film myself later then. City noises, you know, all the chaos happening, trains, buses, construction sounds, the thing that I miss when I'm staying in Wagga.
The first 2 weeks, it was really good.
They changed the rate.
Yeah, and it's 35.
So now, my gay boy Sergio has arrived. I'm gonna pick him up. It's been so long. He's been one of my best friends. If you guys been in my YouTube channel for long, you guys know him. He's just great. We've been shitting together while we were at work. Shitting right next to each other. It's one of the most hilarious things. Where is he? Where's my gay boy? Where's my gay boy? What's up, my friend? How are you?
Okay.
Always busy. This guy always working.
Okay. I keep an eye. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful.
My dinner for today. I bought 2 just in case. It was a great day, man. Great day. Able to meet my friend Sergio, one of my best friends here in Sydney, and we managed to do a photo shoot there, right in the middle of some railway tram. Obviously, he did a hand shoot right here. It looks amazing. So that's the perks of always bringing my camera, is that I can always shoot around, like run and gun. So that's very convenient. I'm loving it. So yeah, we didn't plan a shoot at all, but turns out it's really great. Like, it's really out of my expectation. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm about to create in the next couple of projects. I think it will be an amazing time in Sydney.